doing the concealer with the Vanish Concealer brush. And you can see I just kind of swiped it all over under the eyes. Sometimes I even take a little bit of this one, went in through my lovely lines right there, and then sometimes I do a little bit right through here. Just a tiny bit. Now I'm gonna actually take Sienna, and I'm obsessed with this doe foot. It's like one of my favorites because if you can see this, it is just the perfect size. So what you do is just dab it where you want the coverage, right? Notice how I'm not double dipping because I really don't need to. Everything that's on this brush right here is literally all I need for my face. Okay. Now, I'm gonna go in with the Vanish brush. Another brush I'm obsessed with. If you haven't heard me talk about the Vanish brush, then I haven't been talking about it enough because it is absolutely one of my most favorite brushes ever. But I'm going to show you going darker with the contour teak color. Okay, right? Done. And then look at the under eye too. I mean, it still looks pretty good. This is without any filter, right? Perfecto. Sienna. Now I'm gonna take teak, and remember, little bit goes a very long way with this concealer. You don't need much at all. Doe foot again, beautiful. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. Don't ask me where I got that scar. 4, 5, 6. Lovely family member gave it to me. And then I'm just gonna contour like so up and through the temple. I'm gonna drag it. So as you can see, it's very visible, but I'm really, really buffing it in because I don't like to see lines. So same idea here. Woo, got a little bit more on than I wanted right there, but good thing I can go up into my temple. That's what's so great about this brush is literally it's the mistake-proof brush. If you feel like something is not looking right, you just with this brush and it's back to the way you want it. Perfect. I'm gonna take a little bit along my nose, but I'm gonna be really careful because I don't wanna look like a crazy person doing this. And I'm just gonna see if I can contour my nose with this. Oh, wow. Yeah, I mean, right? That looks pretty good. If you wanna be really precise, you can take the Vanish Concealer brush and you can see how that's what this is designed for. This contour tapering is designed to work so that you go right in the areas that you want it. Also, right in through here for the highlighted parts. So now, last but not least, I'm gonna take Sepia and I'm gonna use that where I want the highlights. Doop, 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 doop. Ooh, this is a really cool look. Almost done. Blending it in, using the smaller brush to blend it in. Oops, missed that area. You can kind of see the highlight through there, right? It's making my eyes kind of pop a tiny bit more. And then the chin. Oh, gotta blend that in. These have appeared. I think they're from me touching my face. So, whatever. And I just blend it in. And then there you go. Now we're done with an all-over concealer look for the face. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new.